Have you ever held a simple $1 coin in your hand, flipped it casually, and then just spent it without a second thought? What if I told you that one of those exact coins could secretly be carrying a hidden fortune, a silent treasure, a life-changing discovery, waiting for the right eyes to notice it? Right now, somewhere in the world, people are unknowingly losing coins worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, dropping them in shops, handing them over in change, never realizing what they just gave away. And today, we are exposing one of those shocking secrets. This is not a myth. This is not a rumor. This is real, and it's happening in today's auction market. On this episode of True Coin Value, we reveal one of the most valuable Australian $1 coins ever discovered. A coin so rare, so mysterious, that collectors are hunting it like buried treasure. But here's the twist. Most people have already seen it. Many have even owned it. And some have lost it forever. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you might look at your own coins very differently. And trust me, what you're about to see will shock you. Coin number 1. There are coins, and then there are legends hidden in plain sight. The 2009 Australian $1 coin does not scream for attention. It doesn't shine differently. It doesn't feel heavier in your palm. And yet, behind its ordinary appearance, lies a story that has stunned collectors across the world. At first glance, the front of the coin carries the dignified portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, gracefully facing right, surrounded by finely engraved lettering that reflects authority, legacy, and continuity. The design feels familiar, almost too familiar, which is exactly why so many people overlook it. Flip the coin, and now you see the iconic Australian kangaroos, dynamic, powerful, and full of movement. These are not just animals. They symbolize strength, national pride, and identity. But what many don't realize is that in 2009, something incredibly unusual happened within this design series, something so subtle that only the sharpest collectors noticed it years later. And that's where the mystery begins. This coin was struck using a carefully balanced metal composition, primarily aluminum bronze, giving it that signature golden tone. Its weight sits at approximately 9 grams, its diameter around 25 millimeters, with a thickness that feels perfectly standard. Nothing about its physical presence warns you of its hidden significance. But sometimes, the most dangerous treasures are the ones that look ordinary. Now here's where things turn serious. In 2009, Ampere's limited and irregular batch of these coins entered circulation under circumstances that were never fully explained publicly. Slight variations, almost invisible to the naked eye, began appearing. Tiny differences in strike sharpness, microscopic spacing inconsistencies, and a rare alignment detail that only advanced collectors could confirm. At first, no one cared. Years passed. Coins were spent, lost, forgotten, until one day, a collector made a discovery that sent shockwaves through the numismatic world. That ordinary coin was not ordinary at all. It was rare, extremely rare. And suddenly, demand exploded. Collectors began searching everywhere. Old jars, inherited collections, forgotten drawers. Auction houses lit up with interest. Experts verified only a handful of genuine pieces in very fine condition, and that's when the truth finally surfaced. This coin is not just rare. It is a hidden treasure that people have been accidentally losing for years. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The current confirmed market value of this 2009 Australian $1 coin in very fine condition stands at an astonishing $192,000. Yes, you heard that right. This is not speculation. This is not a guess. This is the real, current auction-level value. And it continues to rise as collectors compete to secure one of the few known examples. If you are holding this coin, you are not holding spare change. You are holding a silent fortune. And the most powerful part? The value is still climbing. With every passing year, fewer coins remain in collectible condition. Demand is growing stronger. Serious collectors are willing to go to extreme lengths to acquire it. This is not slowing down. This is accelerating. So if you ever come across a 2009 Australian $1 coin, don't ignore it. Examine it carefully. Protect it. Preserve its condition. Because one small scratch, one careless drop, could mean the difference between an ordinary coin and a life-changing treasure slipping through your fingers. This is the reality of hidden wealth. And this is why on True Coin Value, we bring you these discoveries daily, because the next big treasure might already be in your pocket. And if you think this was shocking, the next coin is even more unbelievable. Stay with me, because what's coming next will completely change how you see coins forever. Next up, coin number 2. There are moments in the world of coins when something so strange appears that even experts hesitate before believing it. This is one of those moments. The 2011 Australian $1 coin, a coin that millions of people have seen, touched, and spent without a second thought, hides one of the most chilling and fascinating secrets ever discovered in modern coinage. At first glance, nothing feels unusual. On the front side, you again see the calm, authoritative portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, her image sharply defined, surrounded by inscriptions that reflect decades of history and power. It looks official, stable, trustworthy. But the real story is not on the front. It's waiting, on the reverse. Flip the coin slowly. And this is where the mystery begins. The iconic kangaroos are still there, bold, energetic, symbolizing Australia's spirit. But in this rare 2011 variation, something is deeply different. A strange, almost ghost-like effect appears across the surface, what collectors now call the gray-layered phenomenon. At first, people thought it was damage. Then they thought it was dirt. Then they realized it was neither. These gray layers are not random. They are part of a rare and unexplained minting anomaly, a subtle layering effect within the metal surface that creates a shadowy, almost smoky appearance across parts of the reverse design. It's not paint. It's not corrosion. It is embedded within the coin itself. And here's the terrifying truth. Most people cleaned these coins, or spent them, thinking they were defective. They didn't know. They were holding something incredibly rare. Now let's go deeper, because this is where things become even more intense. The coin is struck in aluminum bronze, giving it its golden base tone. It weighs approximately 9 grams, with a diameter close to 25 millimeters, and a standard thickness that feels completely normal in your hand. But hidden beneath that normality is a layered irregularity formed during the minting process, likely caused by an unusual bonding inconsistency in the metal mix or striking pressure. This wasn't supposed to happen. And because it wasn't supposed to happen, very few of these coins exist. And even fewer have survived in very fine condition. That's what makes this coin so powerful. Because rarity alone is not enough. Condition sedikit is everything. A coin with this gray layered effect, preserved without heavy wear, without cleaning damage, without scratches destroying the surface detail, becomes something extraordinary. Collectors are not just looking for this coin. They are hunting it. Because each confirmed piece tells a story, a mistake that turned into a masterpiece, an accident that became a treasure. And here's where the emotional weight hits hardest. Thousands of these coins were released into circulation. They passed through markets, through hands, through everyday transactions. People saw the gray layers and rejected them. They thought, this coin is damaged. And they let it go. Imagine that. A hidden treasure, slipping away, again and again, unnoticed. Until now. Today, the numismatic world recognizes this 2011 reverse gray-layered coin as one of the most mysterious and desirable modern Australian rarities. Collectors value not just its scarcity, but its story. A story of misunderstanding, loss, and rediscovery. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The current confirmed market value of this coin in very fine condition has reached an astonishing $176,000. This is not a rumor. This is not hype. This is the real, current auction-level value. And it continues to climb as awareness spreads and more collectors enter the hunt. This coin is no longer just currency. It is a hidden fortune, a silent asset, a piece of accidental brilliance. And if you are lucky enough to find one, You are holding something that most people have already lost forever. But listen carefully. Not every 2011 coin is valuable. You must look for that distinct gray layered effect. Not surface dirt, not damage, but a natural embedded tonal variation that flows with the design itself. Never clean it. Never polish it. Never try to fix it. Because the very thing that makes it look unusual is the reason it is so valuable. Preserve it exactly as it is. Store it safely. Protect its condition. Because in the world of rare coins, perfection is not always shiny. Sometimes, perfection looks like a flaw. And those who understand that are the ones who discover true treasure. This is not just a coin. This is a mistake that became a miracle. And this is why on True Coin Value, we bring you these powerful discoveries every single day. Because hidden wealth is real, and it is closer than you think. Now take a breath. Because the final coin in this video is on a completely different level. What you're about to see next is something so rare, so unbelievable, that it has left even experienced collectors speechless. Next up, coin number 3. Naupeshigai. Ais Bomichiki. Prepare yourself, because what you are about to see is not just a coin. It is a collision of ancient history, modern minting, and a shocking hidden anomaly that has turned an already fascinating design into a treasure that collectors are chasing with unstoppable intensity. The 2022 Australian $1 Australian Dinosaurs Diamantinasaurus coin was released as part of a special themed series, celebrating prehistoric life that once roamed the land we now call Australia. At first glance, this coin feels exciting, artistic, even playful. But beneath that excitement lies something no one expected. Let's begin with the front. Just like the previous coins, the obverse features the timeless portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, calm, composed, and powerful. Her presence connects the ancient past of dinosaurs with the modern era of currency, creating a striking contrast that already makes this coin unique. But the real magic, the real shock, is on the reverse. As you turn the coin, you come face to face with the mighty Diamantinasaurus, a long-necked giant that once walked the earth millions of years ago. The detailing is breathtaking. The texture of its skin, the curve of its massive body, the sense of motion frozen in metal. It feels alive. It feels powerful. It feels like history, captured forever. But then, you notice something strange. Small, uneven, on the sauce, brown spots appearing across both sides of the coin. At first, people thought it was damage. Some thought it was rust. Others believed it was poor storage. And once again, history repeated itself. People cleaned these coins. They tried to remove the spots. They treated them as flaws. And in doing so, they destroyed something incredibly valuable. Because these brown spots are not damage. They are a rare minting anomaly, a chemical and surface-level reaction that occurred during or shortly after production, creating natural, embedded spotting patterns that cannot be replicated artificially. Each spotted coin is unique. No two are exactly the same. And that's where the story becomes powerful. The coin itself is struck in aluminum bronze, maintaining the golden tone typical of Australian $1 coins. It weighs approximately 9 grams, measures around 25 millimeters in diameter, and has a consistent thickness that feels completely standard. Nothing in its size or weight reveals its secret. Only the spots do, and only to those who understand. These brown spots, when naturally formed and preserved in very fine condition, become the defining feature that transforms this coin from a beautiful collectible into a rare and highly demanded treasure. Collectors don't just want this coin, they want it with the spots. Because the spots tell a story, a natural imperfection that makes the coin perfectly rare. Now imagine this. Thousands of these coins entered circulation. People received them as change. I admired the dinosaur, and then noticed the spots. And what did they do? They ignored them. They cleaned them. They spent them. They let go of something extraordinary, without even realizing it. And today, that mistake has turned into opportunity for the few who still hold these coins in untouched, very fine condition. Because in the collector's world, originality is everything. And these naturally spotted coins represent originality at its peak. Demand has exploded. Collectors are actively searching for verified examples. Auction houses are witnessing rising competition. Each confirmed piece adds to the legend and reduces the number available for future collectors. This is not slowing down. This is building momentum. And now, the moment that defines everything. The current confirmed market value of this 2022 Australian Dinosaurs Diamantinasaurus coin with natural brown spots on both sides, in very fine condition, has reached an incredible $138,000. Yes, a coin that many people dismissed as damaged is now a hidden fortune. This is the real, current market value, and it is continuing to rise as awareness spreads and fewer untouched examples remain. If you are holding one of these coins, you are not holding a novelty. You are holding a modern treasure born from ancient history. And here's what you must do. Never clean it. Never polish it. Never try to remove the spots. Because the spots are the treasure. Store it safely. Keep it protected from moisture and handling damage. Preserve its natural condition, because even the smallest alteration can reduce its power in the collector's market. Look carefully at your coins. Check your collections. Check your old change. Because this is exactly the kind of treasure people are accidentally losing every single day. And the difference between losing it and discovering it is knowledge. This coin proves something powerful. Not all treasures are ancient. Not all treasures are buried. Some are modern, misunderstood, and waiting quietly in plain sight. So now you've seen all three coins. Three ordinary-looking $1 coins, hiding extraordinary value. Coins that people have ignored, spent, and lost forever. But not you. Because now, you know, and knowledge like this is powerful. On True Coin Value, we bring you these discoveries daily. Fresh, exciting, and real. Because the next hidden treasure could already be in your pocket, waiting for you to notice it. So before you spend your next coin, take one more look. Because what seems small, might actually be priceless.